Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Welcome to another quick and easy meal. Quick and easy meals are hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The hosts are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. For this channel, she's Simply Grace Lifestyle, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. Now, sometimes we have some other people participating, so, check out Quick and Easy Meals, hashtag Quick and Easy Meals 25, and check out anybody who's participating in today's Quick and Easy Meal. So, earlier, I did another video, and I finished my project. I ran out to Kroger. It's hot as blazes outside, and so I'm hot, y'all. I'm hot. But now I'm back in here doing quick and easy meals. So this is quick and it's easy. I have it all set up and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. But if you want to participate in quick and easy meals, please feel free to join us. You can make anything from a breakfast smoothie to a dessert. If you don't want to cook, you can share your eating out experience, your dining out experience. If you want to do takeout, you can do that as well. If you want to barbecue, you can do that as well. If you're going over somebody else's house for a cookout, you can share your plate with us. So, it's limitless. So please feel free to join us on Quick and Easy Meals. So, like I said, I worked on another project today, so I definitely need something easy to do. I am ready to sit down, y'all. So I had to run to Kroger and pick up something quick. Now, interestingly enough, or not, guess what? I saw somebody do this on TikTok. I saved it, but I only looked at it once, and I figured, hey, look, I could replicate that real quick, because that's just how easy it was. So I'm going to share this with you, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So we're going to see if this turns out okay, because it is quick and easy. All right, so keep watching. All right, so first we're going to start off with some salmon. So I normally poke holes in my salmon, and I'm going to do that today. And when I poke holes in them, I'm going to infuse the salmon with some Worcestershire sauce. And then for my seasonings, this is what I have going on here. Okay, so the reason why I have this extra virgin olive oil spray is because I sprayed you can see I sprayed the aluminum foil because I don't want the bottom of the salmon to stick, okay? Then we're gonna move over here. We have some baby gold potatoes. And I'm going to rinse those off really good. I'm going to, toss them in some grapeseed oil because this is good for baking. Then to that, I'm going to add some salt and pepper, some Italian seasoning, and some garlic powder. Then we have some broccoli, or as my little granddaughter says, broccolia. We have some broccoli, and I'm going to rinse that off. And guess what I'm going to do? After I prep all of these things, we're going to wrap them all up in this aluminum foil, and we're going to bake them in the oven for 350 degrees. But when I put these in the aluminum foil, because it's just the two of us here, so I'm going to put them in this roaster because I don't want anything to leak on the bottom of my oven because I don't want to clean nothing up. You heard me? All right, so let me get started with this. Okay, so you see how I just poke holes in my salmon. And I do this so all of the seasonings can permeate through and make it more flavorful. Okay, so that's that. Now, I don't know if other people do this. This is just what I do. So give it a nice dose. Now, sometimes I don't always use this. Sometimes I use some mango chutney, and that makes it good as well. So I give it a little salt, not a lot of salt, a little pepper, a little lemon pepper seasoning, a little Italian seasoning, a little Old Bay, okay, so that's going to be it for that. Now what I'm going to do till, let me put some more on this one. All right. So what I'm going to do while I prep the other things, I'm going to cover this. I'm going to cover it with some wax paper. Just in the meantime, cover that up in the meantime and in between time. So now we're going to rinse our little bowl, baby bowl potatoes off. Okay, so now we're going to toss these potatoes. So you can see what these are looking like now. And now to these potatoes, I'm gonna add we're gonna add some garlic powder, a little salt, a little pepper, Italian season, and some paprika. Okay, so now this is what they're looking like. So I'm gonna toss all of this. And so that's what they look like. Okay, so now we're moving over to the broccoli. So we're gonna rinse this off real good. This is fresh broccoli. How y'all Sunday going so far? I hope everybody is doing well. I hope your families are doing well. Okay, so we got that all rinsed off real nice. Okay, let me go get my paper towel. Wipe my hand off. Okay, so now I'm gonna move, and I'm gonna push my centerpiece over. Move everything out the way. Okay, so look, this is what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna slide my roasting pan back over. I don't want that to get in the way. So first, I think what I'm gonna do is put this in a roasting pan. Y'all, I was trying to use this pan for my phone, but I had this little pop-up on the back of my phone, so it won't hold in there, it's crooked. So let me go back to the other one. All right, guys, so we're back to this view. So I'm just gonna have to show you. I have this salmon in here like this, like so. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the potatoes. Let me get a big spoon. You know, I'll be trying to do something, y'all, and start sweating. You ever try to do something and then you start sweating? I'm starting to sweat because I'm like, Dad, can I get this done or what? Now, on the side with the broccoli, here I'm just going to add a little Italian seasoning. I'm not going to add any more salt. We don't need too much. We don't need to be eating too much salt. And a little pepper. Okay, now I'm going to put the other one in. All right, guys, that's what this is looking like. This is how I have them in my roaster. And so what I'm gonna do now is dot them with some, I can't believe it's not butter. Okay, keep watching. So as you can see here, I've dotted them with some butter. So we have our little small gold potatoes, salmon and broccoli. And actually, you know, this would be enough for 2 nights. So now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to wrap them up individually, and then we're going to pop these in the oven for about 35 minutes, and we're going to see what it's looking like. All right, so I wrapped them up, and we will bake them all at once in the oven for about 35 minutes. So I'll come back with the reveal. Keep watching. All right, guys, here is the reveal. So this was really super easy, especially because I had other stuff to do today. So I popped these all in the aluminum foil and put everything together. So it's done. So that was quick and easy. If you like this recipe, try it sometime. You know, especially if you're in a rush and you have a lot of things to do, you just want to get done, right? Okay, you guys have a blessed one, and until the next time, peace out.